Rode Podmic USB teardown. No drilling machine. A paperclip. Simply, you can remove this screw with 3 small holes in a triangle shape. Are you ready? Let's go. See this? Simply can remove the screw like this without any scratch. For this, I am using a paperclip, the small part. Cut it like this. You can use a sandpaper at the edge if it is not going inside the small hole. Insert like this in any of the 2 holes and then use a plier. First turn will be little hard. After that, it will come very easily. After that, I am using a screw like this. You can use any other small screw also, but it should be going inside the headphone jack by turning. And pull it. That is it. It will come out. Remove the rubber cover and the glass tape. After that, use a knife or any sharp, thin material. Like this, try to safely remove the cover. And then you can easily take out the board. My USB jack is broken. I don't know for what purpose you like to open. Here's the spring. And this is the heaviest part of the mic. But this is a very simple thing. Enjoy. See you.